After making my router tabletop into my previous video, I'm now making a decent fence, or I hope it will be decent. I admit making these triangles this way wasn't the safest maneuver I've ever pulled. Here I am drilling out slots for mounting to the T-track of the base of the router fence. I did these slots this way so I could get more practice with chisel work. Remember, practice does not make perfect. Perfect practice makes perfect. For some reason, I did this backwards. I'm not really sure why, but it felt like it was the way to do it at the time. These black angles actually came from an old aluminum screen door, and they actually are perfectly square, so they're great for clamping. This is a perfect case where I made a mistake with order of operation. I drilled the holes first, and then I drilled the Forstner bits to accommodate the carriage bolt heads. I should have done it the other way around. Hopefully that's a lesson learned. Here I'm cutting a notch at the bottom of the fence so there's a place for the sawdust to go when I'm using it. This little 1/8 inch router roundover bit is by far my favorite. Woohoo! Sanding, everybody's favorite. Now it's time to make some knobs for the back of the fence. I created this little pattern here, but I'm not really sure I like it that much. This is some awesome cinematography where almost all the action's off camera. What I'm doing is putting a dab of super glue in, inserting the nut and hammering it home and quickly removing the bolt before the super glue touches that. Hollywood has nothing on me for camera angles. You have the beautiful view of the inside of my trash can as I assemble my router table fence. Wow, I didn't realize my hair was turning that gray. I'm really looking forward to using this fence. It should prove to be pretty awesome. I still have to add dust collection though. Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.